In Solid Edge, we have the assembly of a control box and its cover plate. Our job is to create a CNC program for the cover plate. We will do that in Designcenter X Essentials, the full cloud CAD and CAM system from Siemens. First, we send the cover plate to X Essentials. Then, we open the file. Next, we create a machining setup for the plate. We first choose the type of machine control that we will be creating this program for. Next, we define the machine origin, or program 000. Then we select the object that we will be machining, in this case, the cover plate. Before we can create tool paths, we must define two cutting tools, an end mill and a drill. First, we create the end mill to match one that we have available in our tool crib. For the drill, we need to know what size. We can use the measure function to determine the drill size we need. We create the drill, setting some parameters as we do. Our first operation will be to remove a large amount of material from around the rectangular boss. We will use a roughing operation for that work. We can now apply a nice finish to the top of the rectangular boss using a follow floor operation. Finally, we can finish up this side of the cover plate by drilling the holes. Notice we do this after the roughing operation, so we have less material to drill through. We flip the cover plate over to do more machining. We create a second setup for this side, being careful to set the machine origin properly. We still have a lot of material to remove from the rectangular cavity, so we will use roughing operation again, with the same tool. We can use a profile wall operation to make sure the sides of the cavity are accurate. Finally, we will use a follow floor operation again to finish machine the face of the cover plate. We save the file, and now we can bring the powerful capabilities of NX CAM into the fray. Every file created in Essentials is fully readable by NX CAM. There is no loss of data. NX CAM also has extra capabilities not found in Essentials, like simulating material removal. Each operation created in Essentials is a full-blown NX CAM operation with all of the bells and whistles. Thanks for watching.